We have strawberries, and Jackson wanted strawberry shortcake. He actually got online by himself and found a recipe. And guys, we're going to give it a try because it sounds really, really good. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is mash up some strawberries with some sugar in there. Okay, Jackson, get the masher. Okay, start mashing while I measure out the sugar, okay? I'll give you guys the complete instructions in the description box so you don't have to try to figure out how much everything is. You need a little help? Mm-hmm. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mash up these berries and let the sugar and the berries just hang out while we get the shortcake ingredients together. So let me get this started, then I'll let Jackson take over. Okay, that's looking pretty good, Jackson. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're going to set this in the refrigerator, and then we're going to make the actual shortcakes. Okay, it's time to make the shortcakes. Okay, we have flour. Jackson poured it through here. Okay, set it aside. Let me get the sugar that goes in there. You guys like strawberry shortcakes? Let me know in the comments. Okay, Jackson, what are you supposed to do right there?
You're supposed to sieve it?
Yeah. Be sure you keep it over the bowl. Real life here, guys. Flour clouds going everywhere. Okay. You did a good job. We'll set this behind us. Now we have butter. You want to put the butter in there, or do you want to just start stirring?
I'll put the butter in.
Okay. Make sure you turn it up and get all of it out. Okay. And milk. Okay. Stir it up, Jackson. As you can see, folks, this does come together really quick. Need some help? Mm-hmm. Okay. Put a little bit of flour on that and on my hands. Oh, you want it on your hands too, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, kids in the kitchen, this is how they learn. Okay. Mix it. Go in with your hands and mix it up. Be sure you work all that down in the bottom into it, okay? Get it into the dough. Okay, you've done a good job. Let me finish up, okay? Guys, this smells so good already. I love to smell a sweet dough like this. Set that aside. Just a little bit over here. Throw that extra there, guys. Okay, Jackson, we need to keep it pretty even and mash it out, okay? Use the heel of your hand and push it like this. And like that. Walk it out a little bit. See? Let's turn it on this way. Okay. That's okay. Okay. Cut this and try to get some fairly even pieces. Jackson, these two pieces right here will make one biscuit or shortcake out of each one of them. Okay, okay. Start making your shortcake on that one, okay? Those two together. Okay. Just fold it around, make you a biscuit. Don't have to be perfect because it's going to go in your belly. No, it needs to be flatter. Okay.
So these two go?
Yeah, those two together. That was already starting to rise. Guys, we got one that's a little bit bigger, so what do? We fix it. This is how you fix a big one. You didn't them two small ones right there. Put it on the bottom and turn it around like that right there. All right. Okay. Now we're going to get a pan and a silicone baking sheet or parchment paper, whichever you prefer. We're going to lay these on the pan and then we're going to put them in the freezer. We're just going to place these on here. We're going to stick them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to get them in the oven. Okay, the shortcakes have been in the freezer the right amount of time. So now we're going to brush them with some milk. Go ahead, Jackson. You need to do it a little thicker than that. Okay, there you go. Get a nice cover on there. He's going to put that on all 6 of them. And then we're going to put some sugar on there and get them ready to go in the oven. You're doing a good job. Those are going to be so good. This is a really fast and easy recipe, folks. And you probably have most ingredients at home other than the strawberries. Two more to go.
Then they get 30 more coatings.
Do you guys let your kids or grandkids help in the kitchen? If not, you really should, because they need to learn to cook. Okay, let's lay this over here. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a sugar on there. Okay, just a light little sprinkle. And these are going to go into our preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Our timer just went off, so it's time to take the shortcakes out. I want you to look at those, how beautiful they are. I cannot wait for those to cool off, and then we'll slice them and we'll layer our strawberries and some cream topping on there. The shortcakes have cooled off, so Jackson, which one you want? Point, don't touch. Other people's going to be eating them. This one? This one? Oh, he picks the biggest one, guys. Who's surprised? Okay. Cut it in half. And let's see, I need a ladle. I forgot to get one. Imagine that. Stir berries up. Set that one to the side. Okay, gonna put some berries on there. Jackson, you want to put the whipped topping on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to put.
Well, how about we put whipped topping, then we put that top back on there, and then we put some more.
Okay.
Okay, put that on there. Okay, go ahead and put your top on there. Okay, you want some more strawberries?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let me get the whipped topping.
Okay, we'll do whipped topping first this time. I do have your spoon here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful. You going to taste test it?
Mm-hmm. It tastes great.
All right, guys. There you have it. Straight from the picky one who goes in for more bites. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video of the classic strawberry shortcake. So easy to make, an 11-year-old can do it. I'll see you guys on that next video.